we are going to compare two health insurance plans, where in one plan you can carry forward your unused sum insured and gradually build a much bigger safety net over time, while in the other plan you have the potential to grow your coverage through a bonus that can go up to 500% to 600%, which can make a huge difference in the long run. And if you are wondering which plan offer these kind of benefits, we are talking about Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0 and Care Supreme. And before we move ahead, hi, I'm Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, where I simplify insurance so you can actually understand what you are buying and why it matters. And if you have any query and want expert suggestion on your health insurance and term insurance, you can book your free consultation with PolicyHub, and link is given in the description. And in this video, I will give you a complete and practical comparison of both these plans, where we will cover their key features, eligibility criteria, core benefits, and the hidden aspect that truly impact your claim experience. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the end of it, you will have a much clear idea of which plan is the right fit for you. First, let's talk about claim settlement ratio. So both plans stand at 92%, which means in terms of reliability, they are equally strong and there's no clear winner here. So both companies have a solid track record. And now coming to network hospitals, again, both plans offer access to 10,000 plus network hospitals across India. So whether it's a planned treatment or an emergency, you will have a wide range of cashless hospital option in both cases. And let's move to eligibility, because this is where things start to differ. So in Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0, entry age start from 18 years and goes up to 99 years. Children can be covered up to 30 years of age, which is actually quite flexible. And the payment tenure here is limited. You can pay premium for a maximum of 3 years. And on the other hand, Care Supreme also start entry from 18 years. But interestingly, there is no maximum entry age limit. That's a big advantage for senior individuals. And children can be covered till 24 years of age, which is slightly lower compared to Niva Bupa. But here the premium payment tenure extended up to 5 years. And here the payment tenure is 3 years. And it's giving you a bit more flexibility. And now let's talk about sum insured. So both plans are quite similar here, offering coverage starting from 5 lakh and going up to 1 crore. So in terms of coverage range, both are equally competitive. And finally, plan variants. So Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0 gives you multiple options: gold, diamond, platinum and titanium. This allow you to choose a plan based on your budget and coverage needs. Whereas Care Supreme comes with no variants. It's a more straightforward plan. What you see is what you get, which can be simpler for some people but less customizable. And now let's go deeper into the actual benefits of both plans, because this is where the real differences start to show. Starting with inpatient hospitalization. So both plans requires a minimum 24 hours of hospitalization. So again, no difference here. Both follow the standard rule. And room rent is also not a concern in either plan, as both offers no room rent limit. This means you don't have to worry about choosing a specific room category during hospitalization. And now let's talk about pre and post hospitalization expenses. So both Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0 and Care Supreme offer 60 days of pre-hospitalization and 180 days of post-hospitalization coverage. So in terms of covering medical expenses before and after hospitalization, both plans are equally strong. But when we move to bonus benefit, the difference becomes important. In Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0, there is a no traditional no claim bonus. Instead, they offer a booster benefit where you can carry forward your unused sum insured, and this can go up to 10 times. This is quite powerful if you don't make frequent claims. And on the other hand, Care Supreme follows a more standard approach, offering a no claim bonus starting from 50% and going up to 100%. And now coming to IUS treatment, organ donor, domiciliary hospitalization, modern treatment. So both plans cover all of these up to the sum insured. So in terms of holistic coverage, both are comprehensive. And let's understand one of the most talked about feature, Reassure benefit. So in Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0, even a single claim can trigger Reassure Plus, which essentially gives you unlimited restoration for future claims. And each claims will be covered up to your base sum insured. And this benefit continue for life once triggered. in Care Supreme, you also get unlimited automatic recharge benefit. The key point here is that it works for both same and different illnesses, making it a very strong feature as well. And now let's talk about digital convenience. Niva Bupa offers unlimited e-consultation within its network, and Care Supreme also provides unlimited e-consultation but specifically with general physician. And there are a few additional benefits where Niva Bupa gives more value. For example, shared accommodation benefits are available in Niva Bupa, where you get a fixed per day allowance depending on your sum insured, and this feature is not available in Care Supreme. And similarly, second medical opinion is available once per policy year in Niva Bupa, which again is not offered in Care Supreme. And finally, let's talk about ambulance coverage. In Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0, road ambulance is covered up to the sum insured, and air ambulance is covered up to 2.5 lakh per hospitalization. And in Care Supreme, road ambulance coverage is 10,000 rupees for lower sum insured, but for 15 lakh and above sum insured, there is no specific limit. And air ambulance is available as an optional cover and going up to 5 lakh. And if we talk about the unique features of both plans, because this is where the real differentiation happens. So starting with unique feature in Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0, which is annual health checkup. So you get an annual health checkup from day one itself. It's inbuilt, which means you don't have to pay extra for it. And the coverage is structured. For every 1 lakh of base sum insured, you get 500 rupees worth of test. And you can avail 5,000 rupees for an individual and 10,000 rupees for a family floater. And if we compare this with Care Supreme, here health checkups are not inbuilt. They come as an optional cover. But where Care Supreme really stand out is its OPD benefit. You get access to Care OPD, where you can have a physical consultation with both general physician and specialist. And there are limits like a fixed number of consultation per year and capped cost per visit. And in some cases, a small copayment is applicable. But still, this is a strong feature if you regularly consult doctors, even without hospitalization. And now let's move to optional benefits of both plans, and honestly this section is very important and if you want to customize your policy with modern features. So starting with Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0. So here you get Safeguard and Safeguard Plus. So under Safeguard, non-payable items like consumables are covered, which usually comes out of your pocket in most policies. And plus your bonus is protected if your claim amount is small. And there is also a CPI linked increases in your base sum insured, which help you fight medical inflation. Safeguard Plus take this a step further by covering even more non-payable items and increasing the protection limit. Now, if we compare this with Care Supreme, they also offer a similar concept called Claim Shield. This also covers non-payable items during hospitalization based on defined list in the policy. So both plans are solving the same problem, just with different naming and structure. And now here's where Niva Bupa adds more layer. You get optional benefit like personal accident cover, which can go up to 5 times of your base sum insured with a maximum cap of 1 crore. There is also hospital daily cash benefit. You get a fixed daily payout depending on your sum insured, and it is useful for handling non-medical expenses during hospitalization. Plus, you have the option of choosing deductibles, which can help reduce your premium if it is structured properly. And on the other hand, Care Supreme focuses more on flexibility and add-ons, and you get options like wellness benefit, instant cover for certain condition, and even modification of pre-existing disease waiting period, which can reduce the waiting period time to 1 to 2 years depending on what you choose. And this is big advantage for people who already have existing health condition. Care Supreme also offer feature like BeFit, giving you access to fitness center and cumulative bonus benefit that can grow your sum insured significantly over time, even up to 500% without reducing after a claim. And one standout feature is unlimited care, where a single claim during your lifetime can go beyond the sum insured limit. This is a very aggressive benefit, but you need to understand its term carefully before relying on it. And now coming to waiting periods, both plans are identical here. Initial waiting period is 30 days, pre-existing disease have a waiting period of 36 months, and specific disease comes with a 24-month waiting period. So no difference in these sections. And finally the premium. So in Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0, premium is divided into 2 zones and Care Supreme divided into 4 zones. So meaning your premium will depend on your city category. And you can check the premium on screen. So if I give you my honest opinion and unbiased opinion after comparing both these plans in detail, Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0 and Care Supreme are strong products, but they are designed for slightly different type of users. And that's where most people go wrong, because they try to find one best plan instead of the right fit for themselves. And if you are someone who want a plan that is more structured, stable, and give you long-term value through feature like booster benefit, strong restoration, built-in advantage like day one health checkup, and additional support feature, then Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0, especially the platinum and titanium variant, make a lot of sense, particularly for people who want a dependable plan without relying too much on add-ons. Whereas Care Supreme is more suitable for someone who want flexibility and customization, and especially if you value OPD benefits, higher bonus potential, and the ability to tweak your plan with multiple add-ons like PED, waiting period reduction, or instant cover for certain condition. And it can be a strong option for people who already have a specific need or pre-existing condition and want more control over their policy structure. Having said that, feature like unlimited care or very high bonus percentage in Care Supreme look attractive, but they should be understood properly before considering them as a deciding factor. And similarly, Niva Bupa's benefit like booster and reassure are powerful, but it works best when you understand how they actually trigger in real scenarios. So instead of focusing on which plan is better overall, the smarter approach is to choose based on your health profile, budget, and how you expect to use the policy in the future, because the right plan for one person can be completely wrong for another. And if you want we help you in finding the right fit for you, then book your free consultation with our IRD certified insurance advisor, and link is given in the description. And I hope this video helped you to understand the difference between in both plans, and if it is, then do like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.